Buying in bulk feels smart. Lower prices, better deals, and the comfort of stocked stores. But for many manufacturing businesses, bulk buying is one of the biggest reasons cash flow stays tight. Hello, I am Shrikant Prabhudesai. I work with B2B manufacturing businesses to improve delivery, control costs, and bring discipline to cash flow decisions. On paper, bulk buying looks like savings. You negotiate a discount and feel that you have reduced material costs. But what often gets ignored is the cash impact. When you buy in bulk, a large amount of cash leaves your bank immediately. That cash then sits in raw material stores for weeks or even months before it's converted into sales. During this time, you still have salaries to pay, overheads to cover, and vendors demanding payments. Bulk buying also increases the risk of slow moving or unusable inventory. Design changes, order cancellations, or quality issues can turn these cheap materials into dead stock. The discount you earned quickly disappears. A more balanced approach is to buy based on realistic production plans and actual demand. Slightly higher per unit cost but faster material movement and healthier cash flows usually result in a stronger business. So before placing your next bulk order, don't just ask how much I am saving per unit. Ask how much cash will this block and for how long. Smart buying is not about volume, it's about timing and cash flow discipline.